Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, boy.
Good morning, Mister.
Okay, can you tell me what is your name, your full name, and your nickname?
My name is Anzana Brilana Alfi. My nickname is Anzana.
Anzana, can you spell your name, please?
Sure, Mister. Anzana.
Okay, Anzana, tell me how old are you right now?
I'm 13 years old.
13 years old. So when is your birthday? What date?
13 January 2007.
13 January. Okay. Anzana, what do you want to be in the future? What is your goal?
I want to be a athlete badminton.
Oh, badminton athlete. So, tell me what is your hobby?
My hobby is playing badminton.
Oh, that is exactly the same. Your hobby is playing badminton, and your goal is to want to be badminton player, the athlete. Okay. Do you know this school, Darlas Pesantren Darlas? What do you think about this school? Is it good enough or
Good enough.
good enough?
Good enough.
Okay. What activities do you like the most in this school?
I like playing badminton.
You like playing badminton also in this school? Okay.
Yes.
Who do you play with?
I play with Bang Nabil Maulana.
Bang Nabil Maulana. Oh, okay. So, that is your friend to play badminton?
Yes.
Okay. If you learn and study in this school, what subject do you like the most in this school? What subject? Math, biology, or bahasa, or
Biology.
biology. What lesson do you like the most about the biology?
It is fun. It's fun.
It is fun. What lesson do you like? What lesson? The subject is biology. What lesson?
Yes.
Is it about the part of body maybe, or
Yes.
about animals, or
About animal.
about animal? So you like to learn about animal in biology?
Yes.
Okay. Can you mention the name of teacher in this school?
Mr. Hizul, Mr. Rajat, Mr. Hasibuan, Mr. Muzain, Mr. Irfan.
Okay. So a lot of teacher in here. Okay. This school is large enough and have many rooms. Can you mention name of the rooms in the school?
Dormitory, multimedia, Darlas,
Classroom.
our classroom, audio.
Oh, so you have many activities because the school have many rooms.
Yes.
Also, okay. Thank you for this interview. Today it is enough to have interview with you. I think we should see you next time.
Yes.
Okay, say salam.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good job. Thank you.